Hello, we got a little package here. Let's check it out. Ordered this in February on a pre-order. Good bubble wrap there. This is from EMPEDC. Pre-ordered this in February. A little tax return money on it. Must be a pretty good time to do a pre-order and get your taxes back. It's been a long wait. We got a little card here. Second run in the Relative Elmax. Got some sticker action going on. There it is. Very cool. I like this texturing on the scales. It feels good. Got a little grip to it. Cool little pivot design there. Focus. So much light. Alright. Let's give her a first flick. Very cool. Nice satin bleed. Jimping all the way down. See how she feels. Alright. Feels great. Nice good grip on it. It's a pretty good looking knife right there. What do we got in here? Number 30. It's kind of neat when they number them. Oh, there we got our little Elmax. All milled out in there. Yeah. Just wanted to do a little first look video here. Been waiting a few months for this thing. Happy it finally arrived. Very cool. I like this nice big deep fuller. Yeah, it feels like a great knife. First EMPEDC knife. Pretty awesome. Anyway, hope everyone has a great day. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.